If you think you've been blocked in WhatsApp, you might be right. Maybe you went too far. Maybe someone doesn't want to talk to you anymore. You might just have to accept that. Here are a few signs where you can tell if someone's actually blocked you on WhatsApp. The first sign is that the person's online status or last seen status is not available. If someone's blocked you, you won't be able to see that. Another sign in WhatsApp, if someone's blocked you, is that if you look at the messaging thread, there's a check mark if your message sent. There's also a check mark if the message is read. So if you only have one check mark by your last message there, it looks like this person has not read that message. That can also be a sign that somebody's blocked you. Another way to tell is try calling the person through WhatsApp. If you're unable to call the person, it doesn't ring on their phone, they're not available through that call button there. It says start a voice call, going right there. I'm on an Android Pixel phone. It just rings, but it doesn't indicate to the person that the call is actually going through. So that's another sign that this person's probably blocked you on WhatsApp. Another sign is that the person's profile photo is not visible to you anymore. So maybe you saw it before, but now it's just a gray circle. You can't actually tell who that person is, no picture. So if you're not seeing the status of that person, you only have one check mark next to the last message you've sent them. Calls don't go through, and the person's profile photo is not visible, there's a high chance that this person has blocked you. You might want to find someone else to communicate with, try a different messaging app if you really need to reach them, or maybe just reconsider the way you talk to people. You don't want everyone to block you. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.